Hey ladies, I want to talk to you a little bit about mascara. Have you ever heard that you should replace your mascara every 3 months? It's true. Every time you pull your mascara out and put it on and you put it back in, bacteria is getting on it, and so it's going in your bottle. So you want to make sure you're replacing your mascara about every 3 to 4 months. And one way that I've learned that you know it's time to replace is when you open it. If you don't hear that suction sound when you pull it out, then it's time to replace. This sound here. So if you don't hear that popping sound like that, it's time to replace. This is a new bottle. Can you hear the chickens and the roosters in the background? I don't know if you heard the popping sound with the mascara. Like that. It's like a smack sound. So if you don't hear that, it's time to replace the mascara. Thanks.